Welcome. In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the app menu on this watch. Basically change how it looks like. First we need to open the app menu, so press the crown button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the app menu. And here we have it. And we can customize this menu by doing a few things. We can remove the icons, basically remove the apps from your watch. You can rearrange the icons and you can change how the list is being displayed. To change the way the app menu is being displayed, you can scroll all the way down and then tap on list view, and now the app menu will look like a list. If you prefer it the grid view, you can always go back to the bottom and tap on grid view. If you want to remove the app and the icon from the menu, you can press and hold on one of the icons. It will open the edit mode, and here you can find the icon you want to remove. Tap on it, then tap on delete app, and the icon will disappear, but also the app will be removed from your watch. And if you want to change how the apps are being sorted in the menu, you can press and hold to open the edit menu, then press and hold on one of the apps icons and move it to somewhere else. And once you drop it, it will stay there. And then you can press the crown button to confirm your changes. Okay, you can also do this through the phone application. So you can go to the iPhone that is paired with your watch, and on the iPhone you can open the watch application. Let me zoom out the camera a bit so you can see the whole screen. Okay, so on the app you can, or rather in the app, you can open the option called app view, and here we can basically do the same stuff. We can change the style of the app menu. You can tap on arrangement, and here you can change the arrangement of the icons. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you customize the app menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.